Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to Decenstitch. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, you're welcome. Please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you. I'm moving into the middle of my shoulder. That is the middle of my shoulder. I'm going to point my ruler towards my bust point. Always point your ruler towards your bust point or apex. I'm going to stop 1 inch above because this is a small size. So that is where I want to move this dart. I want to transfer this dart to. My dart stops 1 inch before my bust point or apex. So the next thing to do is to close these darts. I like to close my dart first before I slash where I'm transferring the dart to. So to close my darts, I'm going to slit. Okay, I need to cut this out first. I need to cut my blouse out first. Okay, to close my darts, I'm going to slash this place. To close a dart, you have to slash it towards the bust point so as to move it better. So I'll slash it towards my bust point. Then I'm going to prepare my paper tape. I'm moving it from here and I'm bringing it here. I have closed my dart. So now I'm going to open this one. I have to also slash it towards my bust point. If I don't do that, it's not going to relax. You know, the line of the dart stopped 1 inch before the bust point, but if I slash and stop here, my paper will not relax around the bust. So I want it to relax. This is what I have now. I've closed this place, opened this place. So I'm going to put a paper here just to cover up that place. I want this place aligned. So before I cut that, I'm going to fold my darts as if I want to sew it. I'll make sure this place meets this place this way. I'm going to fold my dart. Make sure here is the same with here, they are meeting. Then I'm going to fold it to one side. I'm going to fold it to one side. Then I'm going to use a ruler to connect this line back to this line. After that, I'm going to use a tracing wheel to trace that point. Then I'm going to open it back. After opening, I'm going to join this place. I can see the line I traced here, so I'm going to join that back with a ruler. That is my shoulder. So I'm going to cut it out now. So this is my blouse for the front. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new here, and click the notification bell. Thank you.